Hello and welcome to today's video. Yes, we are happy that you are here for another Fab Fit Fun box. Yes, this is the summer box, and their theme for the summer is Poolside Joy. This is a quarterly box, and let's jump on in and see what was in my box. Oh yes, let's go. The excitement is killing me. First up, from a company called Short Stories, is a ceramic tray. And when I first saw this on the website, I thought it was black. It's not. It is a gorgeous blue color. Oh, that is nice. And this is big. Excuse me, camel. Definitely a good sized tray, and it's ceramic, and it is a nice weighted ceramic. It doesn't feel like it is flimsy. And so we can get lots of use out of this, because usually on Sunday afternoons I like to set out, I need to put that down before I drop it. Usually on Sunday afternoons I like to set out some vegetables and some dip and some chip, and so we can just sort of graze our way through Sunday afternoon. So I know that that tray is going to get plenty of use. Next up is something from Ray Dunn Artesian Collection by Magenta. Oh, that sounds exciting. It is. It is a set of 2 small little bowls that will complement nicely for the things that I like to set out on Sunday afternoon for grazing purposes. These will be great for holding either some carrot sticks or some dip or some hummus. So let me get those up here so you can see them. Here we go. One says savor and one says enjoy. And again, these are a good weight. They don't feel flimsy. These are good. And I believe these are dishwasher safe, although I would probably be tempted to do more of a hand wash with these guys. And the third item that Anne picked is from Lillypulitzer. And I was pleased to get to have something. I don't have anything from her brand, so I was pleased to get this item. This is listed as an ID case. It has an opening in the front, and you can put your ID in there, and then it's just a zippered pouch. I'm thinking I might use it for our Disney trips to stick my ID in the front, and then, credit card and a few dollars in here. Or I'm also considering using this as a change purse, because I always seem to have loose change flopping around somewhere in my purse. So this could come in handy as a change purse. Also like the fact that it has a latch-on key ring here. So feasibly, if you felt comfortable enough, you could put this on the outside of a bag if you were going for a walk and just wanted to have a couple dollars with you and maybe your ID or something like that. But I'm happy with this idea. So that is what I picked for the first half of my box. What did you see that you liked? Comment down below. And now moving on with this video. Although my initial purpose of joining Fab Fit Fun was to try and get a box that didn't have a lot of hair care, beauty, makeup, those types of things in it, I did manage to pick up some beauty items just because that is what I felt I would get the most use out of. So we have from Briogeo their Superfoods Avocado and Kiwi Mega Moisturizer 3-in-1 Leave-In Spray. Oh, that looks very nice. And Anne has used some of this particular Kiwi product before and enjoyed it. Yes, I used the conditioner that you wash out of your hair. This is a leave-in conditioner, so I'm curious to see how this one works out because I definitely enjoyed the other one. From Volition, we have a Strawberry Sea Brightening Serum, and I have used products by Volition before and enjoyed them, so I'm excited to get to try another Volition product. Can I try it too? If you want to. Oh, goody. From Ole Henriksen, we have a lemon scrub. This is supposed to be a facial scrub. I might try that. It smells good. Yes, I took a little sniff through the safety seal and it does smell quite nice. So I'm curious because at the moment I'm using another brand of lemon facial scrub. I'm curious to see what happens when I finish that one and then try this one. I want to be able to compare the two and see if I can get a bigger preference on the two products. This one does smell nice though. So that was the second half of the box. Comment below, what did you like? And they have a thing called add-ons that I did not do with the spring box because I signed up late and I wasn't too sure about things. So with the summer box, I decided let's jump on in and try some add-ons. So let's take a look. Yes, let's go. From Spongelle, we have a body polisher in the scent Pumpkin Spice. I like Spongelle. I would definitely rate it high on the body scrub enjoyment list. And I can smell this one through the box, through the container. It smells very nice. And these give about 14 washes is what it says on the container. We have another Spongelle product, and this one is in the shape of a butterfly, and it has a little space up here where they give you a ribbon that you can put through that hole, and then you can hang it up in your shower. I think it is cute. A little butterfly. This has a little bit of a floral scent. Let me check here. Where is it? There we go. We have the Botanica Spongelle. That is what this one is called. And it has extracts of rosehip, green tea, and hibiscus. So the hibiscus is smelling a little on the heavy side for my preference, yet I'm still curious and excited to try out this Spongelle product. And there's one more thing that I got in add-ons. These are nail polishes by the company delsol, and Anne was extremely excited to see these 4 items. Yes, I was very happy to see these. I have used delsol products for decades. Everything from the nail polish to hair clips to sunglasses to t-shirts and tank tops and keychains. I really enjoy this company. And so I had just done a declutter of some old delsol nail polishes because I'd had them many years and they were, well, should we say, past their prime. So I was very happy to see this as an option in the add-ons. If you're not familiar with delsol, these products change color in the sun. So we're going to scoot over. So we have scooted over so I can pop in a couple photos of the swatches that I did that show you the before color. So this is what it would look like if you painted it on your fingernails or your toenails. This is what it would just look like when you're wearing it probably around the house. And then you go outside in the sun And it makes a change to a different color. Yes. And so as you're standing in the sun, it will change to a different color. And it will stay that color as long as you're in the sun. And then when you come back inside, or if you step into the shade, it will go back to its original color. I think that is just the neatest thing, the best thing since sliced bread. One thing to keep in mind that I've learned over the years with these things is base coat, yes. Top coat, no. Because many top coats have a UV protectant in it. And if you block the UV, then the polish won't change its color. So base coat, yes, then the polish, stop there. No top coat. So those were my 3 add-ons, and I'm in love with all of them. Which one did you try? Which one is catching your attention? Have you tried delsol products? What do you think of them? Leave us a comment down below. And now taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty. Yes, let's take a quick look at the nitty-gritty. I don't want this video to go on forever. The Fab Fit Fun box is a quarterly box. You can pay monthly, that would be $60, and you would get to make 4 choices, and then the company will do the other 2 choices. Or you can pay $55 a month, but you have to pay it all up front. Yet by doing that, then you can fully customize your box, and that is what I chose to do so that I could pick all 6 items. They don't give you a card, so I really can't give you any pricing details on the items that I picked, yet I feel that for my $55, I did get a good value and a good return on my investment. Now for the add-ons, those do cost extra. Yes, you have to pay extra for those. Each of these spongelles was $7, and I believe full price on a spongelle is somewhere in the range of $14 to $16. So I feel that that was a good value. And then the delsol nail polish was $32 for all 4 items. And I believe their price on their website runs somewhere in the vicinity of $12 to maybe $16 a bottle. So I definitely feel like I got a good value for those 4 polishes. So that is our video today. Thank you for watching. If you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing. We have fun adventures over here. So like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and we hope to see you again in another video. There should be something popping up on the screen. So take a look at one of those videos, and we do hope to see you again. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.